This is also a good sunset one, because I think it sets behind here.
The sunset, that was a short day.
We're driving now. We're going on a drive. Oh, whoa, this is a nice shot. If you look closely, you can see this big arch that I made over here. Somebody hasn't been watering their plants. Cool, there's the sun rising over there. There's Anna Maria. But I really like the shot composition for this. Dad, what did we tell you about uprooting trees? The mise en scène, as the French call it, it's really impressive. It is really awesome. Good hike. Good thing that I'm getting a nice video recording it right now, so we have this footage for looking back on this for nice memories later.